Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about some other types of inputs which we haven't discussed yet. Okay, we have discussed the most common ones, but there are some of the other types of inputs as well. So if you go to the documentation on MDN of the input element, basically the HTML input element, and scroll down a little bit, as you can see, there are the input types, and here as you can see, this is a really nice table. So we have discussed about button, checkbox, color, date, and so on. Then we have the date time local. This is another one. So if you just select on this one, as you can see, this is the date picker, and also there is a time picker as well. Okay, so this is another type of input. Then we have the email file. We have discussed about that. Hidden means like, hey, the control is not displayed. Okay. Then we are having the image input as well, month. So this is the month input, which I rarely use. I haven't used that a lot. Okay. Then we are having the number input, which we have seen, the password. Then we are having the radio, range, and so on. Then we are having the reset input. Okay. Then we are having another one, which is the search input. This is kind of interesting. A single line text field for entering search strings. Okay. So this is the search input. So basically, if you are building some sort of a search field, then you can use the search input to do so. Then we are having the submit input, then till, text, time. This is for only the time basically. So it is a time picker. Then we are having the URL, wick as well, which I haven't used that a bit. Okay. And there are some of the obsolete values as well, which you should not use, which is the date time. Okay. As you can see, you should not be using these. Okay. All right, so these are all of the other types of input which we have basically. So whenever you are building something and you do not know what to use, you can go to this documentation and just check on this table basically. For example, if you are building the search field, right? So you can use the search input to do so. Okay, so all right, so these are some of the other types of HTML inputs. Okay, all right.